Hey, it's Alan here. Just want to talk to you about community titles. This site out here at Wakerley is a classic example. We've got 6 blocks of land. We've got a common area here, which is the driveway. This is not council owned, it's all privately owned, and the 6 blocks of land have to share the costs of all the upkeep of the driveway and the gardens, you know, the tree protection zones, all that sort of stuff. The other negative with this is that there's no road frontage, like you're sharing driveways, you're not having your own access to the council road. When they make a decision about changing certain things, they'll have to discuss it in the community. So whoever's involved with the meeting is usually either everybody or just a couple people. So then you're dictated what happens in front of your place. So there's a lot of negatives. However, there's some positives too. So like with this site, because it's a boutique site and higher end, you know, the blocks are $1 million each. The houses could potentially $2.5 million when they're finished. So you can actually use it to your favour, something like this. And if the people are affluent and they're all sort of like-minded, that could work in their favour. So it's not necessarily a bad thing. Hope that gives you a bit of an idea about community title schemes and community management schemes.